So the first system, dual robot, dual headstock, they were needing to build their gates 8 foot through 16 foot. So we designed a system for them. A lot of manual welding processes. So our automated solution was the dual robot system. That ended up being a real big success. We did a duplicate a couple years later with some updates. Same system, same concept, welding the same gates, same part numbers, so they could raise their output, raise their throughput for the same gates. The HMI improved, some of the wiring improved. The main design stayed the same. We designed our own pop-up doors and built those in-house. We actually came back with our own pop-up doors and replaced on the very first system. So that really improved cycle time. The old doors were slow, but they were very underbuilt for what they were. So we designed our own. They were faster and more efficient and also more heavy duty. The HMI is really well done. You have lots of indicator lights to help the operators troubleshoot the cell. Lots of good screens. The PLC and the robots are on the same page. So if you do have a crazy fault or something that didn't happen before, they can reset this manually, which is really important for this customer because they don't want a lot of people hands on the pendant. You're looking at more throughput. You're looking at more consistent weld, typically decreasing your manual workforce. Robots are welding where you don't have to have a mask on your face all day. You're away from the weld fumes. I think they're pretty happy with the fact that they don't have to manually weld these gates. The headstock does the work of flipping the gates, and probably 80% of the handling of the product. They have to pick this gate up once when it's finished, and that's it. They add a duplicate system, which automatically gives you 2 more robots to weld with. And as you do the process, naturally you get faster at it. They have better results and their product look better. They added the single robot turntable, so we did a complete different design for that. That's a dual trunnion turntable. They wanted to be able to do the smaller walk-in gates, 4 foot, 6 foot. We designed around that space. And it's completely movable, which is not the case with the dual robots. The fencing can be unattached from this system, and it can be picked up and put in a different location of the building.